If your energy drops at night, if your confidence feels unpredictable, or if your body doesn't respond the way you want when it matters most, this isn't just stress or age, and it's definitely not something you have to accept. Most men try to fix night performance with pills, quick fixes, or energy drinks, but the truth is much simpler and far more powerful. Your performance at night is built during the day, through what you eat. Because performance isn't only mental, it's blood flow, hormones, nerve function, energy production, and certain foods directly support all of these. Here's the surprising part. One of the best things you can eat daily for better night performance is something simple: beets. Yeah, beets. Not expensive supplements, not mystery boosters, just a humble vegetable most people ignore. And here's why it works. Beets are rich in natural nitrates. Inside your body, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery, better circulation, better response. And when blood flow improves, performance improves too. This isn't hype, it's basic body mechanics. Now here's the conflict. Most men think performance problems are only hormonal or psychological, but often the issue is circulation. If blood flow is weak, response is weak. Simple. And modern lifestyles quietly destroy circulation. Too much sitting, processed food, smoking, stress, poor sleep. All of this reduces vessel flexibility. So even if desire is there, the body struggles to keep up. Now imagine improving circulation naturally every single day just through food. That's what happens when beets become part of your diet. And you don't need fancy recipes: beet juice, boiled beet salad, or blending beet with carrot and lemon. Even small daily amounts help over time. But wait, this is bigger than just blood flow. Performance is also about stamina, and stamina comes from oxygen delivery and energy production. Beets improve how efficiently your body uses oxygen, which is why many athletes use beet juice before workouts. More oxygen efficiency means less fatigue. Less fatigue means more endurance, in every sense. Now let's talk about something most men don't want to admit. Stress is killing performance. Work pressure, financial stress, mental overload. When stress hormones stay high, testosterone drops. And when testosterone drops, energy, drive, and performance all suffer. This is where another daily food matters. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. They provide healthy fats and minerals that support hormone balance. Your body needs fats to produce hormones properly. Cutting fats completely can actually hurt performance. Good fats support hormone production. Bad fats and junk food damage it. Big difference. Now here's a "wait, what?" moment. Many performance issues actually start in the gut. Poor digestion means poor nutrient absorption. If your body isn't absorbing zinc, magnesium, or B vitamins properly, energy and hormonal systems suffer. That's why yogurt or fermented foods help. They improve gut bacteria, which improves nutrient absorption. Better absorption means better overall function. Now let's talk about sugar, because this one hurts. Sugary snacks and desserts might feel good short term, but frequent sugar spikes damage blood vessels over time. Damaged vessels mean weaker circulation. Weaker circulation means weaker performance. So the same foods causing belly fat and fatigue are also hurting confidence at night, and most men never connect the dots. Performance problems aren't random. They're built slowly through daily habits. But the good news? They're also fixed through daily habits. Small changes compound. Add beets or beet juice several times a week. Include nuts and seeds daily. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs or lentils. Improve digestion with yogurt or fiber-rich foods. And something interesting starts happening. energy improves, sleep improves, confidence improves, and performance often follows naturally, because the body works better when it's supported properly. Now let's get real for a moment. No food works like magic overnight. Anyone promising instant transformation is selling fantasy. But consistent nutrition works quietly in the background, week by week, month by month, and suddenly you realize you feel stronger, more confident, and more responsive than before. Not because of tricks, but because your body finally has what it needs. Ask yourself honestly, do you want temporary boosts or lasting improvement? Because real confidence comes from knowing your body will show up when needed, not hoping. So here's a simple starting point. Add beets or beet juice to your routine. Eat a handful of nuts daily. Improve digestion with yogurt or fiber foods. Reduce junk and sugar. Small steps, big payoff. If this video gave you a new perspective on improving performance naturally, hit like so more men can discover this information. And if you want practical food-based tips that actually improve energy, confidence, and overall health, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll uncover one common daily habit silently lowering men's energy and performance, and almost everyone is doing it without realizing. You'll want to fix that fast.